If you're having a hard time trying to make income, then don't worry. You've come to the right place. I will show you a brand new method where you can earn money through easy, effortless tasks. You don't need any prior experience nor technical skills, and it's something that you can start doing right away. There is a variety of methods you can employ in order to be your own boss, even without any technical skills or prior experience. No hard work and effort are required. So stay tuned for this video and see whichever method works for you, because I can assure you that all of them are 100% legit and are sure to make you some money at the side even without doing much at all. What's more is that this is something you can do even with just a smartphone, so you don't even have to worry about sitting in front of a computer or worrying about having fast and high-tech equipment, because whatever device you have right now will work perfectly fine. No matter where you are in the world, you can do this method so you can get yourself a nice earning gig. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or America, or anywhere at all, you can get started and earn money. No hard skills or prior experience is needed, just a bit of your time and effort. Comment down below what part of the world you're from and let us know whether this method will work for you, because I can assure you that it will. These websites are also 100% legit. They are not an MLM, and it doesn't require you to sell anything to anyone. It's easy, simple, and it just requires you a little bit of effort to complete things that you need to do. Nothing too hard. You just set it up and you'll be making money in no time. We'll teach you everything you need to know about these websites, so stay tuned and make sure not to skip past anything in this video. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends, so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money. The website that I'll be showing you today is called Socialpilot.co, not .com, but .co. There is no M. Make sure you don't accidentally go to the wrong website, okay? But basically, this is a website that boosts itself as being the most cost-effective marketing tool that offers different packages to boost someone's social media. A website that helps you grow social media accounts. So, does that mean you need a social media account to use this? Do you need to be someone who has a lot of followers and interactions on your social media? Nope, not at all. Because you see, you're not here to use this website. We're here to make money from it, and you definitely don't need a social media account to take advantage of this website's money-making method. And of course, you don't need to invest any money in this at all. Just stay tuned and wait for the one simple step that will help you earn money from this account. You might be asking how to make money from this website. Well, it's easy. There's only one thing you need to do: joining the affiliate program. Now, of course, this isn't anything too demanding or difficult, so don't worry about it. It's just a few simple steps before you can earn a lot of money, so why not don't you stick around and find out how to do it? Scroll at the bottom part of the website and see the link below that connects you to the affiliate program. In this program, you can earn 30% recurring commission for Socialpilot subscription sales. When you join their affiliate program, they'll provide you with a variety of banners and links for you to use and promote to anyone that might need it. Maybe for your friends, family, or forums where you can find people who are looking for social media boosters. If you can make them click on your link and make them subscribe to one of the packages, you can instantly gain 30% from the money that will be paid from the customer. So you don't even have to do anything. All you need to do is post a link and wait. This is a great way to earn passive income because you, yourself, don't need to do any selling at all. So just click on the Get Started button and sign up for their program. Input your first name, last name, email, and then password. Once you agree to their affiliate terms, you can sign up and start your money-making strategy with this website. Once you're done, you'll be able to see your account dashboard where you'll be able to track your statistics such as referrals, customers, clicks, earnings, and of course, the most important part, your payout method. Below, you'll find your affiliate link that you can start sharing right away. No need for any verifications or approvals from the website. It's fast, easy, and 100% effortless, so go ahead and try it now. So as I've shown you, this is one of the ways to be able to earn money online with very little effort, even if you don't have any hard technical skills. You only need to look at the right place, and that place is our channel. So watch out for more of our videos. We upload easy money making tips constantly. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some passive income online without having to do anything. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.